Lilies where the cliff receives the open waves, the ocean breeze, where our cries and the Creator me. I found a bouquet, abandoned, just thrown away, burying our tears, received with gratitude, gentle even amidst our fears. Our opening appears just a litany of tender truth. Those withered blossoms on the road, bridging rifts, pressing the fog. Its fragrance across the distance, its petals healing the bruise, and this stems bearing the Spirit's fruits. Translucent membranes, showing how the light rains. Now our range, unhidden grace blessing our ways. The cliff and the ocean and love does commune. Let us go home, where touch is free of doom. Let us let this love without measure bloom. Let us let this love without measure bloom. Lilies where the cliff receives the open waves, the ocean breeze.